Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing very well. It's been a while since I posted anything, but finally it is here. In this vlog, you will get to see how we commute via train to get to the most luxurious place in New Zealand, which is One Queen Street. So let's get started. So here is our train, and we took this from the Kingsland train station because it is just on a walking distance from our place. And after a few stops we finally reached the Britomart. So Britomart train station is located in central Auckland, and it is the central junction where all the trains, whether it is Southern Line, Eastern or Western, they all come here at one point. Inside the station they have a couple of cafes and a flower shop as well. As we head out from the station, you can see immediately how happening the place is. Here at Commercial Bay, you will find lots of international brands. So if you are keen on shopping, this is a good place to come. The views from the first floor were so good, so we decided to spend some time here. Apart from Commercial Bay, downtown is also there. So when you come out of Britomar, downtown is literally just a minute walk away. And you can board ferries to either go to Devonport or to the Waiheke Island. It was quite cold when I visited the place, so obviously coffee is a must. This is the outside view of the Britomart train station. We are now heading back to our home, and now you'll get to see how we got the ticket. So इस तरह की tickets machine they have installed, so you'll just go there and follow the instructions. The best way is to always have a Auckland Transport hop card and money loaded into it because that is cheaper, but one of our kids didn't have the ticket, so we bought the ticket for her. Go. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.